Look, man, I'm trying to
Right, that shit right there. All right, sir. Whoa. There we go. All right, sir. I got your lighting strip set up.
Yeah, hey, man, I like the lights and everything, but you know my cousin is Crip, so can you get rid of this red light that's popping up on here?
Yeah, no problem, sir.
All right.
Yeah,
So
all right, that shit right there. Cool. All right, sir. Whoa, hey, you starting to work?
Hey, I'm just trying to make sure you get my TV mounted, man.
Got this sitting in the studs.
I don't know, man. This don't look centered to me. I don't know if you got it in the right studs, because when I'm using your stud finder, oh,
Yeah. See,
look like the stud right here, buddy.
yeah.
You go ahead and do your thing.
I got you, man.
Do your thing.
Got you. All right, cool.
You don't want to put that
Hey,
Just put that HDMI. It's a little.
Yeah. No, I got you.
You know what you're doing.
No,
right?
I thank you. Appreciate you, though, man. You all right?
Okay.
Yeah, you cool.
Go ahead, get back in there. Get that cord. It's kind of look a little loose.
All right, yeah. I
One
got
right there. Get
Oh,
that
this
right there.
one? Oh, yeah. You want?
Get that right there.
Okay, this one?
You got it. Look, man, I'm trying to get
All right, Reese, what you think?
Man, I'm liking it, baby. Got it there. It's all straight. Hey, appreciate you, man.
Ain't no doubt.
Hey, say, my side chick, she just got one of the Black Friday TVs. Can you do something for me?
Yeah, no problem.
Keep that on the low, my wife.
Hey, yeah.
Go ahead. All right.
No problem.
I see you at break. Get up out of here, man.
Man, hold up!